Hey, Megan. Okay, let's take a look at this median issue. Okay, how many observations? I think the question you're asking about is 3, but let me just look at the rest of it real quick. 3, 5 is 8. 3 is 11. 2 more is 13. Plus 7 is 20. Plus 12 is 32. 42. 45. 48. 50. Okay, so there's 50 data points. Got it. It's 50 data points altogether. All right, let's do the cross-out thing. You mentioned the cross-out thing, which I think is awesome. I'm going to take a picture of this. And I'm going to just copy this into Paint just because I'm from the 90s and this is the... I don't know how to use Photoshop. So I'm going to use the ghetto 90s version of Photoshop, otherwise known as Microsoft Paint. Okay, so we're going to do the cross-out thing that you mentioned. So I'm going to grab a pencil. No, you know, I'm feeling fancy. Let's use a brush, a crayon. So that's too fat. All right, so we're going to cross these 3 off. And I got to cross 2 of these off and 1 more. So I'll cross that one off there. Okay, so now I've crossed 3 off of this side and 3 off of this side. This is 5. I'm going to cross all 5 of those off. And oh, actually, that works pretty well because there are 5 more here, right? There are 2 here and 3 here. All right, that's good. All right, now we're going to cross, this looks like 3. So I've got to cross 3 of these off. I'll cross these off up here. Okay. Next, I'm going to cross these 2 off. And I'll cross 2 more of these off. All right. And then I've got, what, I got 7 here. This is 5. Oh, I see where your 10's coming from, dude. I see where your 10's coming from. I totally get it. Now what you just, yeah, okay. I think I understand anyway. So now you're down to 10 right here. And that's awesome. You can stop now because this tells us that the median is 82.5. Because if you keep crossing, you're always going to be in this bar until you get down to the middle 2, which will be somewhere in here. But it doesn't matter where you are in there, right? They're all the same. Everything in this bar we're going to call 82.5. So your median is just that bar that's left. So when you get down to a single bar, you can stop. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if it doesn't.